Alright, so this is the finalization of installing the Ultra Racing rear hatch bar. As you can see, you're going to have to start with pulling that plastic panel off up by the hatch, and then I believe it was this panel here for the seatbelt, and then this whole hoodie-doo will come off, and there's a thing right there, another latch right there to get your plastic panel off. Some of you have done this. You're going to have to unplug that tweeter and everything will be revealed. You can see what it looks like. And then right there on that panel, which is not super well lit, but that's alright, you can mark your holes with a Sharpie and get to that side. You got all that nice metal instead of trying to get to the other side.
There, and then we got to drill one right about there.
You're going to have to do that on both sides. It's a Lego. Pull your pieces off gently. You're going to need a panel popper. You're going to want to take your time if they've never come off, and watch for your little metal clips that go in everywhere. But once you get over to this thing here past the seatbelt, you will easily be able to mark your holes and you'll be able to bolt it in and put everything back on. Alright everybody, Ultra Racing bar all the way in with plastics trimmed. You can see it fits. I didn't have time to finish this up and get everything clean and nice looking. So you can see what a nice install this is. Possibly the first one in the world. I don't know. There's no information. Even the company doesn't have information on this bar and how to install it. I've contacted them and they said, duh, thanks for figuring it out for us, because we didn't know. So yeah, you'll get a step-by-step on how to put your bar in if you get it. And also, this is unfortunate, but as I was speaking to them, they said that these don't move very well. Not just this bar, but our entire platform, and they're going to discontinue it. Now, that is not surprising to me. There's not too many people racing or building these things, so you might want to go on there. I've been begging for a sponsorship and discounts and all kinds of stuff. You might want to go on there and get your bars now, because it takes like 2 months for them to get to you anyway. But yeah, it's in there. The plastics fit back. I couldn't believe that. I thought we were going to have to cut holes in here, and I was trying to figure out how do you permanently mount this bar but then cut a hole and get the plastic back over it. I was going to notch the whole thing and slide it down. It was going to look janky as shit, but it actually fits right up underneath there. You just got to trim one little tab off right here that is the joker that would go down right there, but this is on there because it's on there with your Torx, and we let you know what the Torx numbers were earlier in the video. So yeah, I got my fire extinguisher. Probably not the best place for it, because if fire pops off back here, I don't think I want to have to open this hatch to get to the fire extinguisher. But this car mainly goes to shows and stuff, so if I can't get to the extinguisher, hopefully I can put it out. If I can't, may it burn with the rest of the car, I suppose. But yeah, that's going to be your install video for your Ultra Racing Beetle 5C A5 12 up 2012 to 2019 rear hatch bar. I hope this helps out anybody that buys this bar, because man, what a pain in the ass this thing was for my buddy who was doing this fuel system, and I had him do a few other things for me, and it was just a real pain in the ass for him. But yeah, good luck with it, guys. Comment underneath. Let me know how you do if you're going to get one. If you have any questions, I have all the answers for you in case you can't find it in the video. Later, taters.